Do you want to share Facebook Reels in Messenger? You can send Facebook Reels in Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share Facebook Reels in Messenger. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, scroll through your feed or go to your profile to find the reel you want to share. Tap on the reel to open it in full screen view. On the right side of the reel, tap the share icon. A new menu will appear with different sharing options. From here, find and tap Messenger. Now Messenger will open automatically. Select the person or group you want to send the reel to. You can add a message if you want. After that, tap Send button. Once sent, the Facebook Reel will be shared in Messenger, and the recipient can watch it directly in the chat.